Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we on guys color inversion in our Samsung mobile. Friends, you want to enable your phone color inversion settings. So how can you on it, and after on guys how can you use guys your color inversion setting guys. Today I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone accessibility setting guys. Click on phone accessibility, and friends you can see this visibility guys. Tap here guys. Scroll it. Friends, you can see your color inversion guys. You want to on, so as you can on from here guys. Tap here. Friends, come back. After on guys, you can see guys your background will dark, and friends your skin color will change. So like that guys, we can on guys this color inversion setting guys, and we can use it. And friends, if you use guys this YouTube, so friends you can see everything is like ghost. So like that guys, you can on guys your color inversion, and guys you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.